If you want to clear old Steam names, there's an important thing to know right away. Steam does not let you fully delete old names manually, but you can change your current profile name, and over time, your older names will slowly disappear from view. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to update your Steam name, and I'll also explain what you can and cannot do when it comes to old name history. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Steam guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to Steam Community. Make sure you're logged into the Steam account you want to update. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner and click on your username. This will open your account menu. From there, click View My Profile. That takes you straight to your public Steam profile page. On your profile, look for the blue Edit Profile button on the right side of the page. Click that and Steam will open the profile editing screen. This is where you can update different parts of your profile, including your display name. Find the profile name box and type in your new Steam name. You can use a completely different name or just make a small change if that's what you want. After entering your new name, scroll down and click the blue Save button at the bottom. Steam will update your profile name right away. At this point, your current name has been changed successfully. Now, here's the key part about old Steam names. If you were hoping to erase every previous name instantly, Steam doesn't provide a manual delete option on the web version. Instead, old names gradually disappear as you continue changing your name over time. So if your goal is to reduce what shows in your name history, the best method is to update your name a few times going forward and allow Steam system to refresh naturally. If you're trying to clean up an old username for privacy, branding, or just to keep your profile looking fresh, this is the safest official method to do it. Avoid using random third-party tools, because they are not needed and could put your account at risk. The official Steam profile editor is all you need. So to recap, open Steam Community, go to your profile, click Edit Profile, change the profile name, and hit Save. That updates your current Steam name. And remember, old names cannot be fully deleted manually, but they can fade out over time after multiple changes. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Steam tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.